Media Kamal Kanwar Online TV ka jangwas me bana video me bana jaguj kel en video me kanasen kon tinta kama kwach payam ka jongle estate bana jalin kel alla kaneti ti kanas ti nuari kan dinkas ti churodian mat lo let kan kel purkan kel ka kan ba tikan karun ti shop ka diech ti let kan yin ken kel agenda na balinga jangwasa me gorjano biya kaling ba jodin ba jelef ko biya jeling biya mandan lat kana biya je chuling ka kwi mat ka mandana shikaro din nang tin ki mandana tiketin a chiang mo gwalong mandana chanen ka ke chanen ka ne ko ken tiga ka ji humanitarian ken as kon la lwa bana joten dai
what you guys to be happy
and gwa ma cha ko la ta min tet ko lo janen
what you guys to be happy
and gwa ma cha ko la ta go runda dieti wana
we have been here for 5 years
ko me puro ko wana
what you guys to cultivate here
a jong le wo bi jong le ba wunyal
it's because we want to develop the Jonglei state
ko na li mi kran
when you beg things from people
tila pai
there's nothing to produce
man ni ka tedu
what you do with your hand
a je te ko gwa ma to ma cha le bi ko na bani
is that make us to remain of the food okay you understand
ata min ki bana tedu
when you come
kan dong ti
yeah these elders old women
rama te man da ka maro lan ta ka ban dong mi dong
anyone anyone who has something to do in Marol Market does not come here.
Min ki bana tadi. Kan wan ki ya? Ya na ga alatin ta ito. Kan wan wo yanki.
There is the challenge.
Ya kari lokti.
There is mosquito net even already.
Kada fiu.
Water. Kakai tu galwel, kai tu kiji dit. Macam
Ma ya le kidwen Qur'ana kengen kolan. Kan ga ni.
macam mosquito net and issue of water and plastic
kuma chama. Tan ki belen tadi ma ya ga rap ku ci ga tem dadu ka cin ga taw ga ti
that is the issue of plastic and the covering of this produce because there is rain come now
a can ku me ja man wele rap ko bu ga ti da pya da ti na pya da ma chama ci ti da ba
so it need that we want to have that plastic sheet so that the produce has to be secure covered
kan gwang to ka ke ngong ko
we chakale ye cái tiền đúng vậy nè wale UN pao
we just appreciate power what they did for us
so cái job là kín cái in pao
what we need from you to do for us
in cái un đấy mà
you are the in charge of this the head of the office
na ira ko
if you want to buy our produce
dunu ko go
they talking of delay payment like that happened it is paid but it is late
so in yar kuba yi ko kwateka to da man puan ngut
another issue also that is the distribution time when you want to distribute other things they let them
wale pawe wayen kerkier
now give us some food that is sickle
ku jela pu
then meloda
ku jela pu re no purmiyo
flour that is
ku jela ka ti ko ki tong pi
other seed like groundnut and cowpeas and what maize
aiwa yen ga le wa power
we just appreciate what power did for us
wale ko ga agar ka ja ya da
we also appreciate Ministry of Agriculture
ye na wa cha
we have to build our places.
Ketweng na wogare.
The main issue
Insecurity.
is that of insecurity.
Yen ke wa cha kurdum ti.
That is only make us to be peaceful in the group.
Chana chi wa rana chi mai garan ke yin le ku duyo wa ru gol ti tin te.
You just concentrate on this few small land.
Jen dande konlinga jan gwasame engo shi na stichero mat nuer kanadinka tiletkel ala nastena kamal ki techenkel kama kwach payam shit kamen shaling ken shikana nogono de kalet kel ki de kan wan de kan latkel ka do badanen dongde na chenkel kaja name kwajala lat kata chenga ko de nas de karodian mat name kel mishaladen winimi ji humanitarian ke nas kon la lua ko de kan ne de shata de kan kalwa shikamen jikana la de long lat ken no ken teleka luktai ni men kunyit kujal tagrar ko chinyit ka bicham en name nyok chikan nyok tejbo en gwas dana ticketin ko do badana de ko ren ganga jabo shike security shirkamanan shikan la tika gwas kel no manyo de jaw jan loka dana gor ke jan dana gor ken wo bala let ko ba ching to gona ken bagala let binad bi kamat bedinka ken nur ki ka bonato ko ken ti la do ko ken de ke shenkel terwal name e symbol kel ki nyut kel manyo do nuare ken jang de ke shenkel ki dinka name siang ma chanyu den winimi aji humanitarian ka kwimat ka rewe ka so Sudan agenda nan de konaling name togare wecha kama kwaj payam re wijbor kanasin kon tila porbel kinasin kon tin jagador ka kwi porbel karodian name agenda ndi linga jan gwasme mi jiram jidit ke jan channel ma gore no jin bi jan yoga nas ko ken biata kamal bye bye
Madame wewe tela rambu chuiti tela ganmi bu chuiti tela meti bil